Hello, welcome to Simple Cooking 17. Today we are going to prepare a tasty chicken noodles with lot of veggies. To prepare this, we need 200 grams of boneless chicken, cut into small cubes, add salt, pepper, chili powder and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix it well and keep it aside.
Here I've taken 250 grams of noodles. Boil water in a pan, add salt and some oil. The oil helps to prevent the noodles from sticking to each other. Cook the noodles on a medium flame until it is 80% cooked. Drain the noodles and keep it aside. Let's chop some vegetables. Here I've taken beans, cabbage, carrot, spring onion, capsicum and garlic.
Here I've separated the white and the green part of the onion.
Whisk 3 eggs in a bowl. Add some salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well.
Now for the main preparation, take a pan, heat some oil and fry the chicken. Remove the chicken once it is done. Next, let's fry the eggs and keep it aside. In the same pan, heat some oil, add garlic, beans, white part of the spring onions, carrot, cabbage and capsicum and fry it on a high flame for 30 seconds. I've added the capsicum later, that is before adding the noodles. You can add it here or later. Add the scrambled egg and the fried chicken and stir it well. Add the cooked noodles, add some salt, pepper, soya sauce, chili sauce and tomato sauce. Add a teaspoon of vinegar. Toss the noodles well on a high flame for few minutes. Top it off generously with chopped spring onions. Chicken fried noodles is now done. Check the description for measurements and ingredients. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.